over 150 nurses are boycotting work at Pune's Jahangir Hospital. Nurses have not been attending work since Sunday. They are complaining of low salaries and excessive workload. United Nurses Association leading the nurses' protest, the state president of this United Nurses Association, in his letter to the hospital and the district collector and municipal commissioner, has said that the nurses' duty hours should not exceed 6 hours with PPE and adequate rest should be provided to them. However, critical care and emergency cases are being attended to. So joining us now is the state president of United Nurses Association, Mr. Jibin JC. Thank you very much for speaking with us, Jibin. What exactly is the problem that the nurses are facing there?
Okay. So the thing is that there were a couple of discussions with the management since a week time from the nursing side. So the reason behind the discussion was the duty hours was almost 12 hours with PPE, and they were not getting adequate rest because in ICU, wherein 13 patients is being handled by only 3 nurses, and another ICU wherein like 17 patients is being handled by only 5 or 6 nurses, and that too for a longer period of time. I mean 12 hours, that is a long duration shift, and they were not getting adequate rest during this COVID time. And talking about the manpower, yes, they are having very less manpower in the hospital, and the hospital is not trying to recruit new nurses to the hospital. That's another problem. So these nurses were recruiting every issue to the management, but they were not listening to their concerns. And moreover, what they did like 2 days back, some of the management officials went to the hostel of these nurses, and they started threatening against these nurses by some of the derogatory words. So this actually made the nurses to come out of the organization, and they are protesting in front of the hospital right now.
Right. Jibin, also, you're mentioning the fact that 12 hours in a PPE kit, that's a very long shift. Now, what kind of challenges do nurses face during the COVID times? Because it's very different from working 12 hours in the normal time and working 12 hours in a PPE kit during the COVID times. How is it different and how is it challenging?
Yes, this is actually, during the pandemic time, it's very difficult to manage their personal life and professional life because now every nurse stays in the hospital premises and they do not have any connect with the family. I mean, that's because of this quarantine protocol and all these things. So the main challenges here comes is that, wearing a PPE and working for 6 hours, it's like a difficult task.
And now we are used to this wearing PPE for more than 6 hours, and some hospitals are making them to work for 12 hours. This is the biggest challenge because, first of all, we are not getting adequate nutritious food in the hospital during our working time. And when you wear a PPE, you cannot have or you cannot drink a cup of water during the working time. So once you wear a PPE, you'll have to wear and you'll have to complete your 6-hour shift. Then only you'll be able to have or you'll be able to take anything. So this is a very challenging, and majority of the nurses are females. So it is for them, it is very difficult to manage because, they have to manage their personal things also.
Absolutely. And, right, Jibin, yeah. Could it impact their health as well? Because you're saying so many hours continuously wearing a PPE and not even drinking water. I mean, they can be dehydrated. Can it affect their health as well?
Definitely. There are a lot of incidents wherein the nurses are fainted on the floor during these working hours because of exhaust working hours. I mean, as you rightly said, the nurses are dehydrated because they lose their water every time. Because the moment you remove the PPE, you will come to know how much you are dehydrating. All your clothes being wet, and it is like draining water from your body. So this will have a very negative impact on your health.
All right. Thank you, Jibin, for this chat. And it's quite surprising that the hospitals are not responding to your letter. Jibin has written a letter to the hospital authorities and the district collector as well, demanding better working hours for the nurses who are wearing PPE while working, and also regarding their pay. Thank you very much, Jibin.
Thank you. Thank you.